All right, so my demonstration is the proper way to breathe. Many times, one of the first things people say to someone if they're stressed or in pain is take a deep breath. Oftentimes, though, this is saying maybe something that someone just sets off to the side and not gives a second thought about it. But in reality, doing so can make a big difference in someone's life. People breathe without having to give a single thought inside every single day. But there's a technique that one can use to aid inside the ability of their lungs to function to the fullest capacity. Being able to perform RBR on oneself can prove to be beneficial due to the fact that they can assist you with pain, stress, and increase of airflow to your lungs. What is RBR? RBR is the resting breathing rate of someone, and through breathing exercises, you can improve this. All right, so can my audience stand up, please? We're gonna perform this exercise together. So we're gonna start with belly breathe. You're gonna breathe out with your belly and not with your diaphragm. So you're gonna extend your belly all the way out. Take a big, deep breath. You're gonna do this 5 times. By doing this, take one more deep breath. By doing this, this will open up your lungs for the rest of the exercises. And one more. And throughout this exercise, we're gonna massage some certain pressure points. So one of these pressure points is the bottom of your ribs. Now you wanna start pressing at the very bottom and press to the point that it almost hurts. And sit there and just massage it with your thumbs for a good 5-7 seconds or so. Now, the more it hurts, the better you're doing it. Now, after that, we're gonna start with the sternum. You're gonna rub the same thing, but at the sternum now, and rub it for a good 5 or 7 seconds. By doing this, it'll open up the airways and passageways for the oxygen to go through your body. Okay, now we're gonna do 5 more big belly breathes. Extend with your belly. All right, keep going. Now, I often do these exercises during track because I'm going to be running and I need all the oxygen I can do so. And one more. Okay, now we're going to massage the hips. Right where you bend at, you're going to massage both sides of your hips. This will make you more flexible and oddly enough will help you breathe better. We're good 5 or 7 seconds now. All right, now we're going to go to the back of the skull. Go very back on the back side of your skull, so then rub to the point that almost hurts. I'll just massage it for a good 5 or 7 seconds again. All right, now we're gonna do the bottom of the ear. This is the most common pressure point. It hurts a lot, but the more you press it, the better it is. All right, now we're gonna do 5 more belly breathes. Take a deep breath in. You almost want your belly to be breathing out and not your belly breathing up like you normally do. And one more. All right, now we're gonna do the 4, 7, 8. You guys can start now, so you're gonna take a deep breath in for 4 seconds. Now you're gonna hold it for 7 seconds. Then after the 7 seconds is up, throughout the last 8 seconds, you're gonna breathe out very slowly through your nose. Okay, and now we're gonna do the pursed lip breathing, where you're gonna breathe in through your nose for 2 seconds, a nice deep breath. Hold it for 4 seconds. And then purse your lips up and breathe it out for 2 seconds. Now that is the common exercises of RBR. Normally you do that procedure 3 or 4 times right before you do more exercising or hard breathing you have to do. So there are many other techniques that you can use to help you with breathing and maintain a strong relationship, a strong resting breathing rate. Taking the time to utilize any of these breathing techniques can be beneficial to a person in many ways. The benefits of RBR is that it reduces stress, anxiety, and relief. Pay attention to breathing rather than the worries or stressors. And my girlfriend the other weekend was having kind of pain inside of her side, and it was really hard for her to breathe. And she thought I was really dumb because she's like, oh, it's just breathing. I know how to breathe. But through this exercise, we did this for a good 10 minutes or so. And then she's like, wow, Brandon, this exercise really worked. I'm surprised. And I told her I was right. Okay, so, and with the benefits of RBR, it will allow more airflow through your body. It can relieve nerves, which is probably what happened to my girlfriend. And also, it will be contracting on breathing. It can bring more to the present of the state of mindfulness. So it will almost ease your mind as you're doing it. It's kind of like a way of meditation. And it will also improve the attention span of someone. It can improve lung function. And because of the more air circulation that's going through your lungs, it can clear mucus from the lungs. So if you're sick, this would be a great exercise that you guys can do. And then it can also strengthen your heart muscles because this is a more deep version of breathing that you normally don't do on a day-to-day basis. And it'll also help with pain. The controlled breathing will also increase oxygen exchange. It will reduce blood pressure, so the slowing of the heart rate, and then the tension and release inside the abdomen. So the RBR has a variety of benefits that can aid someone reducing pain and stress and the improving of lung functions. And through these functions, it will overall help out with your breathing and the aches inside your side and whatnot. So breathing is a simple task that gets people through every single day, but there are ways that enhance one's breathing and ensure that they're receiving all the benefits that they can from it. There are many breathing techniques that one can perform in the everyday life, and each of these benefits more than other ways. Prioritizing breathing is something that of utmost importance. So it's important that one takes the time to improve the breathing they're learning from how to perform RBR on oneself and can benefit a person in many ways, whether it's the improvement of their lung function, reduction of stress, pain relief, or more.